come. Today I'm going to show you how I made a bone towel rail for my kitchen. I originally got this idea from the channel D.I.Y, also on YouTube, and so without further ado, let's skip to it. So I found this replica bone on a website called anatomystuff.co.uk, and then I also just picked up these coat hooks from a D.I.Y store. You can use something like curtain holdbacks, they work well, or just any hooks that you can find that are wide enough to slot your bone in. And now here I'm just deciding on where I want my hook to go, and making sure that's level with the spirit level. And then just marking this out with a pencil. And then once you've marked out, you want to just pre-drill and then slot in a raw plug. And I've just put a bit of masking tape on my drill bit so that I know how deep I need to go. If you're not working with real brick walls, however, you might need different fixings. And most importantly, a drink of tea, of course. And now, holding your bone in position, you want to make sure that your second hook is level, and then just mark up and do the same thing again. And then clean up any dust and pop your bone in. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to follow me in this new venture and see more of what I'm going to be doing, please subscribe to this channel, and until next time, I'll see you then.